There's a magic girl about Belle, so she never meets her father. And Belle and her father take a trap, so she led Belle in a castle. And the beast, the Belle's father to stay there.
Lower that one, hon.
And Belle stay in a castle. And the beast and the wolf and Anna starts. And the beast stopped the wolf, stopping Belle. And the calf red. And the one and Belle to miss her father. And Belle was in a lucky guy. So Belle said, I miss you, beast, I miss you. So a beast grew like a beast. And
What story was that?
Beauty and the Beast.
Oh.
Next is Snow White.
Okay. Lower the music, hon.
Once upon a time, there's a magic girl called Snow White. So the queen said to sneak like a water. So the queen saw it over the mirror. And Snow White and the witch said to make apple. So all the sea guys are mad. And the sea guys said to stay there with us.
The dwarves.
The dwarf said to stay with us, and the dwarf said, I miss you. I like you, said the dwarf. And the witch fight Snow White. And the witch said, you want some apple, Snow White? And Snow White said, sure, witch. So the witch laughing like, ha ha! And Snow White gave the apple. And Snow White was sleeping like her nice shoes. And the witch kissed her and go down. So they're happy and Snow White wake up. So the prince tells Snow White to go on my castle. And
Good
that's
job.
Snow White.
Okay.
That we did, Daddy.